And we are back with another unboxing experience. So these I bought for the masses, the wife version 1.0. I've actually been thinking about getting the wife version 2.0, but as someone who works in the IT space, I know that the latest and greatest is not always the best. Usually comes with a lot of bugs and issues that you need to iron out. Some of the times making you wish you had actually stayed with the tried and tested. More like, you've got that couch and you've got the sweet spot where you sit on it and are so comfy. And then that couch has to go away, you get a new couch, and then you have to work it in, find the comfortable spot, yada yada yada. So maybe I'll stick with the version 1.0 of the wife for now. But anyways, I got this for her because she left hers, another type. Hers were Sony's at her father's place, and then she came and took possession of mine. So I do have this set. This is the Life P2. The one I got for her is the Life Note E. Now these are called Soundcore, made by Anker. Now I've had and been using these for just a little over a year. It was a little known brand to me before I started using them, but I can certainly vouch for them, having used them for over a year. They're very good. They fit very snugly in the ear. You can run with them. They don't easily fall off, and the sound quality is very good. Now I'm not a very musical person, so I can't tell you whether the bass is good or the treble and all of those things, but I just know that the sound is crystal clear. And when I'm making phone calls as well, they work very excellently. I use them both on my cell phone as well as on my laptop, since I work from home. I'm on a lot of calls on Teams. On my laptop, I use them there as well. Sound quality is really phenomenal, so I would definitely recommend these. Based on the price, I would say they're actually what is called, we've got budget phones, so these would be budget earbuds. But even so, they work very well. These, I remember, for example, I bought them for about 8 or 900 South African rands, which would be what, 50, 55, 60 US dollars, somewhere there. I'll leave the conversion to you. And these I bought just a few days ago, 2 days ago, I think, for about 700 South African rands. So you can do the math and conversion there as well. So we'll put these aside for now, and we'll do the not conversion. We'll do the unboxing of this one. Now, what do you get outside? Obviously, Soundcore by Anker, mini buds, big bars, AI enhanced calls, 32 hours of playtime, which is fairly good, but that's not 32 hours from the earphones themselves. They've got a charging case, so it's 32 hours total time, including the power that you'll get from the charging case. Obviously true wireless earbuds, AI enhanced there, and you get 3 EQ modes. I don't really use those, like I said. As long as the sound is good for me, I don't faff around with some of these things. And what's in the box? You get Live eNote, a charging case, ear tips, USB-C cable, and yeah, so these ones are white in color, so you've got a picture of a lady there, which I found interesting, because the black ones, which I have a picture of a dude over there. So guess black is for guys, white is for ladies. Ha ha ha. Anyways, you've got these seals here, tamper-proof seals at the bottom as well as at the top there. I'm not sure if you can see it over there, so I'll pause this for now, or this video, while I cut those off with my trusted tool over here, some razor like blade. I think I picked this up on the road somewhere, and it's been very useful in my life. I've actually, whenever I need to open a letter or a box or anything like that, I actually use these. They're very sharp actually. Not sure if you can see them very well. Yes, no. Okay, anyways, I'll be back with you in a jiffy. Okay, so those have been cut off, and now to open the box, let us see. How easy is this going to be? This has definitely been cut off, so I can run my finger through that. You know, working with one hand is not easy, and it's my less dominant hand. So if it's not dominant, what is it? Not submissive. Let's see what you have there. Okay, here you go. Let's pull this out. Or can we drop it out? Oh yay, we can drop it out. Oh, okay. Went upside down. Let's flip it over. Oh, and that just almost spoiled our unboxing experience. Let's put those back in there. And you get, same as with the black ones, actually quite a lot of quick start guide, a lot of material, and how-to manuals. This is actually quite thick. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera there on your screen. Anyways, quite a lot of stuff that I've actually not even read from that one. And then you get, obviously, these are the ear tips, the different sizes that we read about, and these are white in color, obviously, as these are white headsets. Then you get a charging cable, USB-C charging cable, not USB-C to USB-C. I don't know what this tip is called. USB, I'm assuming. And this is USB-C. Previous I know was USB-A. Yeah. Anyways, you get those that charging cable. I was actually expecting this to be white since these are white, but as we can see, these are black. Written Soundcore over there. It's upside down. Turn it around. Soundcore. And then you get the actual headphones. I've got this nice plastic wrapping them around, I guess, to protect it. It's tamper proof. Got that nice bead there. If you didn't know any better, you'd think those were beads, but it is not. So let's see, take that off. Hey. And then let's open this up, and there you have it. Look pretty nice. Actually says white, but they look more like cream white, just to be a little pedantic over there. So the moment you open these up, they should light up. Let's have a look. Hey, there you go. It should light up over there, and there's 3 lights over there, and they actually connect to the last paired device. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pair them to my device, and then I'm gonna use them to record the last piece of the video so that you can get a sense of the sound quality via these earbuds. Maybe before we get there, if you remove this from the case, you will see that there's that protective plastic to stop them charging and depleting the battery before you actually use them. So if you remove that, you will actually see the metal tips that actually connect to the battery for charging. Those two. You put them in, then they start charging. The moment you close the case, then they disconnect from whatever device they were connected to. You open the case, they repair or connect to the device that they were last connected to, and they pair very quickly, or they connect very, very quickly, like within a second or two. And now I've got the earbuds connected to my phone, and everything that you're hearing now is actually being transmitted via these earphones. I must apologize for the buzzing noise or sound in the first half of the video. The guys from the gardening services were doing their thing outside, and that seems to have transmitted through to the video. Apologies for that. And there you have it, folks. Those are your Soundcore Life Note E by Anker. Very good earbuds. I would definitely recommend them. Try them out. Let me know what you think about them. Leave a like, a comment here at the bottom, and let me know how it went with yours. Thank you. See you next time. Cheerio.